Hi, my name is Rick Bryant. I'm the CEO for Polestar US in North America, and we're here in Polestar Miami. Happy to say that this is the very first Ford to hit our shores. Boats landed in Baltimore about a week ago. We're processing the cars as fast as we can, and this is a grand opening here tonight. So they'll actually deliver the very first Polestar 4 to hit North America. Kind of excited about that. It's going to be an exciting night. This is going to be a great store to do business with. You know, or maybe you don't know, but Florida, especially South Florida, is the second largest EV market in the country. So we think that there's a lot of opportunity for us here. We think that there's a lot of promise ahead, and it's going to be good. So initially we had created some spaces that were ours. For us to demonstrate the product, we were more of a direct-to-consumer brand, but we learned that we really need the network. The network folks are the ones that are in the market that can really take care of our consumers the way they need to be taken care of. So we opened this space, company owned by Polestar, and we've now transitioned it over to the local dealer who will now handle these customers in the way that they should be handled. And as we grow, this space will grow with us. If you follow us around the country, we actually have 33 spaces now. We opened up in a lot of malls, a lot of shopping malls. We're transitioning out of those malls because we're finding that it's much better for us to have a full service dealership for the consumers. So we're transitioning out of those one by one, and as we do that, we create more of that. This is the last space that we owned. So we now have no more. They're all owned by independent retailers around the country who are dedicated to Polestar and the growth of Polestar. So obviously, we have core values: sustainability, performance, design, and we're an all-electric company. We believe in BEVs. We believe that that's the right way to go. We believe it's the way of the future. Sustainability is very important to us. Performance, we are a performance heritage company. That's how we started. Polestar began racing vehicles, and then of course design is everything that we do. So we rely on those pillars, and you can explore the product at any one of our spaces, or of course go to polestar.com and see everything. You can configure a car, you can look at pricing, you can see what the current offers are, et cetera, et cetera. So we're full service, whether you want to do business with us on the internet or you want to do business with us at an actual store. It's your choice, or a combination of both. You can do all your work on the internet, come to the store, we'll handle it from there, or you can do everything including buying the car online.